Guys, what is going on? Mike Cesaroni back with another crypto update, and it's Saturday morning. We're just going to hang out. We're just going to kind of go over the market, and any questions that you guys have, shoot them out, and I would be happy to answer them for you. I really appreciate all the subscriptions that we've been getting lately. I mean, we gained almost 10 subscribers yesterday, and it truly means a lot. You know, my overall goal is just to get this community to a point where we can just have really great discussions in the chat box and, you know, kind of just hang out. And, you know, obviously some of the content that I do put out is going to be different, and we are going to put together some videos that are a little bit more edited and kind of, you know, straight to the point. But as far as like these live stream goes and like these Bitcoin morning talks and the evening hangouts, they're just going to kind of be, you know, us hanging out and just, you know, having a good time. And it says offline again. I don't know what is going on. Hold on here. Sorry, guys. I'm not sure if this is live right now. Let's see, is that better? Okay, I think we're good. All right, sorry guys, sorry about that. I'm not sure if, yeah, if for some reason it was saying that I was offline. Apologize about that, guys. So, yeah, like I was saying, you know, these Bitcoin morning talks are kind of just going to be like a hangout where we just come in and throw around ideas and kind of chat and just get, you know, get to know one of each other and kind of promote some discords that we are involved in, because I think overall within a community, what we're trying to do here is all get on the same page and try to just formulate a great trading pattern that works for each and every single one of us to actually maximize our profits and get the best of, you know, available trades out there right now. So thank you guys for coming in. Again, I truly appreciate all the subscribers that have, you know, tuned in and that are watching, and it just means a lot that this community, and I can see it growing day by day, and it's just fantastic. So let's just start off. We'll jump right into CoinMarketCap and we'll take a look at how the market is right now. Bitcoin is, you know, it's doing its thing. It's still moving in that sideways pattern that I had expected it to do over the weekend. We got Ethereum sitting at $604, up 0.5%. Ripple up almost 1.5%. Some of the big movers today, not big movers, but decent. We got EOS sitting at $12.61. Came back from the grave. I know that it was sitting at around $10 just a couple days ago, and it jumped up a couple bucks, which is up almost 2% right now. Tron is up 2.8%, and that is something that we are going to talk about in this stream. Is the Tron hype over? And you know, we're going to take a look at the chart, and I don't think it is just by looking at the chart. You know, just remember, guys, that we do have only a couple days left until the mainnet is launched, but there is definitely room to be able to make some profits, I think, in the next couple of days and kind of try to take advantage of that mainnet launch. And I'm just going on what the pattern is looking like, and we'll just go over that in a second. So let's take a look at some of the top movers of the day. We have Versatilism at 11%. I'm not sure what this project is all about. Let's take a look and see what markets that you can purchase them on. I believe I have seen Veri on, yeah, HitBTC. That is pretty decent exchange. Something that I would recommend if you want to look for some of those, you know, low market cap coins and hope on getting, yeah, 22 subscribers, baby. We're getting there, man. We're getting there. Vertasium, yeah, I'm not sure what their project is all about, but again, you can get it on HitBTC. It's got a low market cap. The circulating supply is not too high, and it's got pretty low volume. So this is a coin that you could actually take a look at. If you want to dive into it, we could just take a look and see what they're all about. Again, guys, you know what I like to do. I like to take a look at the team first and foremost in a long-term investment. So on Vertasium, let's take a look at what it does and what it's all about.
Veritasium is trust, scalable trust. Basically, the more people you have to trust, the less trust there's available to go around. Intellectual curiosity got me going, and it has me going still. Intellectual curiosity now brings capitalistic pursuit, and I wouldn't say an anarchistic, but more of a meritorious capitalism pursuit. Those who are the wisest, the smartest, who fight the hardest, who have the most drive, are the most ethical, rise to the top. Those who don't work as hard, have less intellect, fail to learn, or are more oligarchical in nature will fall to the bottom. Yeah. Veritasium, the technologies that it relies on,
I don't like this. I don't like where it's going. I'm actually going to get out of this. I don't like that attitude whatsoever. Those who don't have work ethic fall to the bottom. That's crap. So that is something that I'm not even going to entertain. Not a project that I am even going to take a look at. So we will continue moving forward. And let's take a look at some of the top gainers of the day. Let's see here. We got Zencash still moving up, $38.66. It's up 11% today. Yeah, I mean, Zencash continues to move. And, you know, it's a great... I think it's going to be a great project overall, guys. And oh, you know what? This reminds me, Nulls. A lot of people actually inboxed me, and I think his name was Jason Riddle, Jason Rhyme. I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing that, but Jason, I know you wanted me to do a deep dive into Nulls and what Nulls was all about, so that's what we'll do right now. We'll take a look at Nulls, and then after that, we'll take a look at the charts and kind of see how all these coins are trading at the moment. So basically, Nulls is nothing. Nulls is anything you want in a blockchain world. Let's take a look at the team. This could be you, your name here. So they're obviously looking for guys. They're looking for help. They are hiring at the moment. Founder and lead developer. He has over 7 years of experience in the programming field. Jason has 6 years experience in the banking security sector and has designed security systems for dozens of banks in China. He is familiar with nearly all cryptographic algorithms, PKI standards, and PKCS standards. Cool, okay. Let's take a look down. I mean, they've got a pretty big team. Very, very nice. I like when there's videos. I like to see their video content, like kind of similar to what that guy was saying earlier that I was just totally disagreeing with. I like seeing videos, but their mission right now is currently the blockchain sector is struggling with making blockchain technologies flexible and convenient. At Nulls, our mission is to build a customizable universal public blockchain infrastructure. Building a customizable infrastructure, our goal is to help enterprises improve credibility by developing their own decentralized applications in the blockchain. So Nulls is basically trying to help outside corporations be more involved in the blockchain, which is pretty cool. So they do have sophisticated smart contracts and multiple chains that they're working off of. Great stuff. Great stuff. So that's a little bit of information on Nulls. So it is up 4.53% today, sitting at $3.86. That is something that we can take a look at after in the charts as well. Now, some of the top losers for the day. We got Bitcoin Private sitting at 8%, down 8%. We got Densecoin, Dragon Chain. Dragon Chain, guys, is something that I'm hearing often. It's something that I'm hearing more and more. And it's something that is actually bringing a lot of attention to the blockchain community. And I'm just hearing more about it. So this is something that I kind of want to take a look into. And as we're talking right now, guys, Tron is moving. And I can't wait to show you guys that chart and what I think is going to end up happening with Tron. So Dragon Chain, blockchain business magic. Get connected to the commercial platform, blah, blah, blah. They don't have a video that we can look at, and you know, platform, resources, roadmap. I don't see their team anywhere. What is Dragon Chain? Here we go.
From the Disney team that released Dragon Chain open source comes the Dragon Chain commercial platform and incubator. First, let's look at the Dragon Chain platform that focuses on protection of business assets. It's a turnkey and scalable environment using a serverless architecture that empowers smart contract developers to use established programming languages such as Java, Python, Node, and C#. In addition, all smart contracts have full access to Amazon AWS services and capabilities. Next, let's look at the Dragon Chain incubator that standardizes the process to launch a blockchain project. It provides early access to exciting projects and is scaled by active crowd participation. Now let's look at the Dragon Chain marketplace, an ecosystem of verified subject matter experts across disciplines such as crypto, marketing, legal, software development, and recruiting. Also included in the marketplace are libraries of pre-built smart contracts monetized by developers for reuse. Finally,
so it's basically giving you complete control of your data and your cryptocurrency. It's a storage, which is great. They have a market cap of $153 million. Their circulating supply is 238 million. And their total supply is 433 million. So definitely a coin that you could get into with a low market cap. I know that they are not on Binance yet. You can get it on KuCoin, Tidex, and also Huobi, I think I just saw. Oh, you can get it on Carbon Hood as well. Cool. Definitely a project that you can take a look at and you know, do some due diligence for yourself. All right, guys, let's get into Tron and let's get into BTC. Guys, I think Tron is I don't think the hype is over. Let's take a look. As you can see, we have 42 minutes left in this 4-hour candle to close. Now, we are forming a beautiful pennant, right? And we are breaking out of this pennant as we speak. Yeah, Dragon, definitely a coin that is probably going to end up being listed on Binance. For those of you that do not know, the CEO of Binance came out last week and said that there is going to be 300 new coins that are going to be added to Binance this year. So you guys know I'm polymath heavy. That's obviously going to be one of them. And Dragon Chain I can definitely see being another one. So guys, look at this. We are forming a beautiful, beautiful pennant right now, and we are currently in a breakout. You know, this is something that I would consider 100% breakout. Now, we have to wait 40 minutes to see if this absolutely closes above this pennant and above this resistance. Yeah, 300. Brandon, if you can, just Google that for me real quick. I think it's 300. I don't want to be mistaken and misleading anyone, but I believe it's 300, and it could be even 30. I know it. I know it's had to do with 3, but I'd like to think it's 30, so they're not flooding it. But I'm pretty sure I heard 300. So guys, take a look at Tron and look at how it's acting right now. It's doing absolutely amazing. I don't think the mainnet launch hype is over, and I do think that this coin is going to hit that 1,000 Satoshi area that I had suspected. It's looking great right now. We have 40 minutes left in the 4-hour candle, and if this candle can sustain right up in this area, we're good to go. I have to shut these off here. So it looks great. And as you can see, I am up $78 in a small position that I put right as we bounced off this 15 EMA. And guys, the video that I had made yesterday, I had said, you know, when we want to put in positions, we want to wait for pullbacks to the EMAs, and that's exactly what it did. So as soon as I saw this pullback to the EMA, I put an order in for 30,000 TRX, and I'm up almost $100 right now because of that, just, you know, that little pullback. Very cool. BTC, let's take a look at BTC. It's really funny, guys, because I drew this line, right, and suspicion and what I thought BTC was going to end up doing in the next couple of days, right? So I drew this line back on the 23rd, so that was about 4 days ago. And so far, I mean, this has been coincidentally following very eerily that exact pattern, right? It's really weird because I kind of, you know, this had no meaning of, you know, I just kind of thought the length might have been this long before another drop. But coincidentally, it's kind of following that exact pattern. And let's see if it continues to do that. We did see a big influx of volume come in last night around 1 p.m. Eastern time. And, you know, that was definitely saving us from, I believe, dropping at that time last night and try to breaking through the support of 73.70. So we could see a little bit of volume come in today from the market. Usually weekends, and especially a long weekend, we could definitely see some more volume come in. Right now, if we take a look at the 1 hour chart, we should be seeing an actual, yeah, we're actually seeing, you know what, guys, this actually looks like a pretty decent entry. I'm not going to lie here. I'm actually going to do some live trading right in front of you guys because what I'm seeing right now is very attractive to me. I think we might see a little bounce right here to the upside. So what I am going to do is I'm going to put an order in for some BTC, and I'm going to ladder myself in, see if I can get it at a cheaper price. So right now I just submitted an order at 75.34, and if we can get down to 75.34, my order will get filled. And this looks like some volume's coming in, guys. This is a very strong sign, you know, and I know, you know, going back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hours with very little volume, but this is kind of a bullish sign to me. So I'm actually going to ladder myself into a small position and see if I can maybe get a ride up to the 200 EMA, and that's the next target I see on the 1 hour chart. That's the next resistance anyway, and I don't see why it couldn't run up to the 7,800 area. So take that for what it's worth, and my order actually just got filled. The red line, Brandon, is that line that I drew back back when we first made this drop and we were bouncing off this support. I had said that I think Bitcoin is going to make a sideways kind of movement, and I was drawing it just like that. So I said I think Bitcoin's going to kind of do this sideways, you know, consolidation before we do another leg down or decide which way we're going. So that's what that line was. But like I was just saying, it's really funny that and coincidentally, it's kind of running right. It's like moving right on that line, which is really weird. Let's take a look back at TRX. So my order did just get filled. Now I'm basing this on the 1 hour chart, and what I'm going to do is be very cautious, right? I'm noticing that on the 1 hour, we're almost getting a crossover from the 15 EMA, and if we can get a crossover on the 1 hour chart from the 15 to the 55 EMA, then we could definitely be seeing, you are psychic, bro. I know, right? It's crazy. I mean, look at that. Look at that line. It's absolutely, and look at, it's actually about to go up, and if it follows that line, I mean, that's eerily weird. So yeah, there you guys go. I just did a little bit of live trading in front of you. And guys, what do you think about doing some live trading while I'm on stream? You know, I'm thinking about opening up a small account on Binance or a small account on BitMEX and putting just a couple $100 in and actually just streaming while I'm doing some live trading. And I think you guys would get a lot of use out of that, and I think you guys could really get an understanding of how my style of trading could maybe be beneficial to you. Here's my look at things, right? And I tell somebody that I'm trying to mentor, and hopefully one day he can call me his mentor. And I tell him all the time that listen to everybody's advice and then formulate your own opinion. You know, listen to everybody's form of trading, their style of trading, right? Because not everybody's going to be 100% right, but everybody does have valid points. That doesn't mean you have to listen to 100 different people. What I did is I took the top 3 people, I looked at their trading style, and then I formulated my own style, and it ended up working for me. So I think I might get into a little bit of live trading and really, you know, showing you guys how I trade. But for right now, what I'm seeing is an actual bull flag on a 1 hour. So it looks pretty good, you know, and that's why that's why I'm comfortable on putting in a small little order. Nothing big, but you know, I will set a stop loss accordingly. Now, as you can see, let's take a look at the 2-hour chart and let's see how the 2-hour chart looks. So we got the 2-hour chart. Yeah, exactly, Brendan. Everyone has something to offer, and we always have to remember that. You know, everybody in this community has something to offer, and you take bits and pieces from each and every one of those people who want to offer something, and you develop and formulate your own style of trading. And that's how we grow. But look how scary and eerie this is, that it's just following. Imagine we get an influx of volume here and it just moves sideways, and then that'd be creepy. Let's take a look back over at TRX, guys. 4 hours, it is still holding up there. We got 32 minutes left. And guys, if we do close above this resistance, bye, 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 bye. And that's not something that I am telling you to do. I'm not a financial advisor. This is simply for entertainment purposes only. But in my opinion, it might be a position where I even get some more and strengthen my position if it does close above that resistance. And it is moving right now. It's moving great. Let's see where we're at here. And guys, like I said, this is going to be kind of just like a hangout. Like, you know, Saturday mornings are just going to be kind of just, you know, I wish there was a little bit more people in here. And as the community grows, I understand that might be buying some more a little. Yeah, you know, and like I was saying, guys, like, you know, as this community grows a little bit, you know, it'll be nice just to kind of come in here and hang out and just, you know, take a look at charts and just, you know, and just do our thing. Also, guys, you know, I highly suggest all you new traders to get involved in a, you know, in a Discord group. You know, we got a couple of groups that we're very active in. One of them is Bit More Crypto, Vin Ferretti's group. Amazing just great people in there. Amazing people. They're always there to help. We have a group called Dynamic Trading. Dynamic Trading is a group that that was previously a gaming Discord that is now turned into a trading Discord, which is really cool. You know, we have a lot of great people on there, and I really suggest that you guys and I will put the link down below in the for both of those Discords. I will put the link down below. If you want to do that, Brandon, you can go ahead and throw those links in the live chat or in the description. So what else we got? I'm just kind of taking a look at BTC and TRX right now. Those are my main focuses. Oh, let's take a look at EOS, because EOS is making some moves. Guys, look at this run up that it had. I mean, tremendous. Let's take a look at the dollar EOS. So we came from $10 to $12 in a day, right? 2 days. And guys, check this out, right? This is a perfect, picture perfect, exactly the pretty much situation that we're in right now with TRX. Look at that bull flag. More of a pennant. More of a pennant breakout, but if BTC can continue moving sideways, I do expect EOS to continue its run. Again, 29 minutes left. Let's take a look at the 4-hour chart where it's at EMA wise. So if it can close above this 55 EMA, we might get a run up to the 200 EMA, right up to $13.42. RSI is at 57. RSI is looking great. And you can, guys, you can even kind of tell, right? Like, if you guys would have been paying attention to the RSI and EOS and seen that it was extremely oversold, you know, this extension here is a very, very big buy signal. And you could have ran this right from $10 all the way up to $12. No problem, you know. Always pay attention to the RSI and where the RSI sits, because if you're a swing trader, it won't let me link it in here, so we'll have to link it elsewhere. Yeah, Brandon, just throw it in the description. So a great swing trading strategy is using the RSI. And when the RSI is bottomed out, put a, you know, ladder yourself into a position, or, you know, put whatever position you're comfortable putting in, and you know, you can ride it to the top or wherever you feel comfortable in taking profits. But RSI trading is very, very, very reliable, because as you can see, every single time it does bottom out, it eventually climbs back up. You know, so that's a very good swing trade strategy by using RSI. And if you guys don't know how to get the RSI, all you do is you go to your TradingView, you go up to indicators, and you just click in RSI, and it's the relative strength index. You click on that, and it'll appear right at the bottom of your screen. So RSI tool is an amazing tool to use. And for those that want to know my EMA setups, I have the 15, the 55, and the 200. And those are the EMAs that I just ride or die with. But I think that's it, guys. It's a little slow. We're going on 28 minutes. I wish I could have, I wish I could have had a little bit more interaction with you guys. I understand it's beautiful out. It's Saturday. Nobody wants to be inside trading right now, including myself. But I did just want to put some content out there for you guys to have for the weekend. I will be going live later tonight just to take a look at the market and do another evening update. So I hope to see you guys in there. And have a great day. Enjoy the beautiful weather, and happy trading to all. And you know, go on to my Twitter. DM me if you guys have any questions whatsoever. Please feel free to DM me, and I will get right back to you, or jump into our Discord and join the community. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you tonight.